Hi students, welcome to NSR IIT and NEET Academy. This is the session 2 of integration for senior inter students. So in this session we are going to solve 2 marks questions. So first question, integration x cube minus 2x square plus 3 into dx. Integration x cube minus 2x square plus 3 into dx. So apply integration all the functions, we get integration x cube into dx minus 2 constant right outside. So x square into dx plus 3 into integration dx. So integration x cube x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Next here also x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Next plus 3 into integration of dx x plus c. So x power 4 by 4 minus 2 plus 1 3 x cube by 3 plus 3x plus c. Next second one, integration 1 minus root x by x into dx. So here also apply integration both the functions. So 1 by x minus root x by x, first simplify this one. Next apply integration 1 by x dx minus integration root x by x into dx. So integration 1 by x dx minus integration root x 1x cancel, we get 1 by root x dx. So integration 1 by x log x, integration 1 by x log x log mod x plus minus integration 1 by root x 2 root x plus c. Next third one, integration 1 plus 2 by x minus 3 by x square into dx. So equal to, so integration apply all the functions. So integration dx plus 2 into integration 1 by x dx minus 3 into integration 1 by x square dx. So integration dx value x plus integration 1 by x log mod x minus 3 integration 1 by x square means x power n formula minus 1 by n minus 1 into x power n minus 1 plus c. So you can write as x plus 2 log mod x minus into minus plus 3 by 2 minus 1 1 x power 2 minus 1 1. So we get 3 by x plus c. Next fourth one, integration x plus 1 by x whole cube into dx. First apply formula here a plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square into dx. So simplify it, integration x cube dx plus integration 1 by x cube dx plus 1x cancel, we get 3 integration x into dx, and here also plus 3 into integration here 1x here 1x square, we get 1 by x dx. So apply the formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 x power 4 by 4, here x power n minus 1 by x power n formula minus 1 by n minus 1 means 3 minus 1 to x square plus 3 into integration x square by 2 means x power 1 x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Next 3 into integration 1 by x log mod x plus c. So this is the value of integration x plus 1 by x whole cube. So these are first 4 formula. Next fifth one is integration 1 minus x into 4 minus 3x into 3 plus 2x into dx. So first to multiply these two terms, we get integration 1 into 4 4, 1 into minus 3x minus 3x, minus x into 4 minus 4x, minus into minus plus x into 3x 3x square plus into 3 plus 2x into dx. Integration 4 minus 3x minus 4x minus 7x plus 3x square into 3 plus 2x into dx. Again multiply these two terms, we get integration 4 3 is 12 plus 4 2 is 8x. Minus into plus minus 7 3 is 21x, minus into plus minus 7x into 2x 14x square. Next 3x square into 3 9x square, 3x into 3x square into 2x 3 2 is 6 x square into x x cube into dx. So first write highest power of x is 6x cube, next write x square terms, minus 14 plus 9 we get minus 5x square, minus 21 plus 8 here minus 13x plus 12 into dx. So apply integration all the function, we get integration 6 into integration x cube into dx minus 5 into integration x square into dx minus 13 into integration x into dx plus 12 into integration dx. So 6 into x power n, so x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 x power 4 by 4 minus x cube by 3 minus 13 into integration x value x square by 2 plus 12 into integration dx is x plus c. So 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, so we get 3x power 4 minus 5x cube by 3 minus 13x square by 2 plus 12x plus c. So this is our answer. So next sixth one, integration e power log of 1 plus tan square x base e. So we have one formula, right? What is that formula? E power log a base e, e power log a base e, it become a into log e base e. So in logarithm we learn in SSC. So e power log a base e, it become a into log e base e. In place of a we have 1 plus tan square x. So simplify it, we get log 1 plus tan square x base e is equal to integration of into dx is equal to 1 plus tan square x log e base e into dx. So log e base e value 1, integration 1 plus tan square x. So 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. Why simplify this one? We get, suppose integration 1 dx we have formula, but integration tan square x dx we don't have formula of integration. So that's why 1 plus tan square x we can write as secant square x. Now you know the formula, integration secant square x is equal to tan x plus c. So this is the sixth answer. This is fifth one and the sixth one. Next seventh one, integration 1 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So equal to integration. So apply integration both the functions, 1 by 1 minus x square dx plus integration 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So integration 1 by 1 minus x square, this is the formula of tan h inverse x. 1 by 1 plus x square, this is tan inverse x plus c. Next eighth one, integration 1 by under root of 1 minus x square plus 2 by under root of 1 plus x square into dx. So apply integration both the functions. Integration 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx plus 2 into 1 by under root of 1 plus x square into dx. So this is the formula of sine inverse x plus 2 into, this is the formula of sine h inverse x plus c. So next, ninth one, integration a power x minus b power x whole square by a power x into b power x into dx. So here apply a minus b whole square formula, we get a power x square plus b power x whole square minus 2ab, 2 into a power x b power x by a power x into b power x into dx. Next simplify it, a power x whole square by a power x b power x plus b power x square by a power x b power x minus 2 into a power x into b power x by a power x b power x into dx. Next, apply integration all the functions. So integration, so here cancel 1 a power x cancel, we get a power x by b power x dx plus here also 1 b power x cancel, we get b power x by a power x integration dx minus a power x b power x cancel minus 2 integration into dx. So it can written as a by b whole power x, here also b by a whole power x. Why? Because numerator denominator both the powers are same. So we can write a by b whole power x, here b by a whole power x minus 2 integration dx. So this is a formula of integration a power x. Integration a power x equal to a power x by log a base e. So a power x formula is a power x by log a base e. In place of a we have a by b, so a by b power x by log a by b base e plus same formula here also apply here. So e b by a whole power x by log b by a base e minus 2 integration dx is x plus c. So this is the ninth answer. Right, next one, 10th question, integration 1 plus cos square x by 1 minus cos 2x dx. Right. Integration 1 plus cos square x by 1 minus cos 2 theta to sin square theta into dx. So integration 1 by 2, so simplify here 1 by sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x into dx. So 1 by 2 into integration 1 by sin is cosecant, 1 by sin square x cosecant square x, cos square by sin square cot square into dx. Right. Suppose apply integration both these functions, we have the formula of cosecant square x, but we don't have the formula of cot square x. So that's why cot square also changes into cosecant square. Now we can write cosecant square x plus, so what do we have formula? Cosecant square x minus cot square x equal to 1. Now we can write cosecant x square minus equal to cot square x. So in place of cot square x write cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. Now it become 1 by 2 into integration of cosecant square x plus cosecant square x to cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. Now apply the integration of both the functions. So integration, right, 1 by 2 also multiply here. So 1 by 2 multiply here, 1 by 2 into 2 cosecant square x dx minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 integration dx. So 2 to get cancel, integration of cosecant square x, integration of cosecant square x value is minus cot x. So we get minus cot x minus 1 by 2 into x plus c. Next 11th one. So this is the value of integration 10th answer this one, minus cot x minus x by 2 plus c. Next 11th one, integration 1 plus sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x into dx. So 1 plus sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x, 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x, 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x into dx, right. 1 by 2 into integration of simplifier 1 by cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x into dx. 1 by 2 into integration 1 by cos secant square x sin square by cos square tan square x into dx. So we have the formula of secant square x, but we don't have the formula of tan square x. So tan square also changes into secant square x. So we have a formula secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1. Now tan square x equal to secant square x minus 1. So in place of tan square, write secant square x minus 1 into dx. So secant square x 2 secant square x minus 1 into dx. So multiply 1 by 2 into 2 integration secant square x dx minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 integration dx. So integration 2 to cancel, integration secant square x is tan x minus integration dx x. So x by 2 plus c. So the value of the 7th answer. Right. Next one, 12th question, integration 1 by cos hx plus sin hx into dx. Right, we know the formula of hyperbolic trigonometric function. One value is cos h square x minus sin h square x. Cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to 1. So in place of 1, then write cos h square x minus sin h square x by cos hx plus sin hx into dx. So it is in the form of a square minus b square form. So you can write a plus b into a minus b cos hx plus sin hx into cos hx minus sin hx by cos hx plus sin hx into dx. So cos hx sin hx get cancelled. So we get integration cos hx minus sin hx into dx. So apply integration both the functions, we get integration cos hx dx minus integration sin hx dx. So integration cos hx value sin hx minus integration sin hx value cos hx plus c. Next 13th one, integration 1 by 1 plus cos x into dx. So integration 1 by 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. So 1 by 2 writes outside, 1 by cos square x by 2, 1 by cos is equal to secant square x by 2 into dx. So integration secant square x tan x, integration secant square x tan x, but we have secant square x by 2, again differentiate x by 2, we get 1 by 2, it is right in denominator plus c. So 1 by 2, it is in a reverse order, it get 2 by 1 into tan x by 2 plus c. So 2 get cancelled, we get tan x by 2 plus c. So this is 13th one. Right. Next one, integration secant square x into cosecant square x dx. Integration secant square x into cosecant square x dx. So secant x square we can write as 1 plus tan square x into cosecant square x dx. So 1 into cosecant square x plus tan square x into cosecant square x into dx. Integration cosecant square x plus tan we can write as sin by cos sin square x by cos square x into cosecant x square we can write as 1 by sin square x into dx. Sin square get cancelled, integration cosecant square x plus 1 by cos secant square x into dx. So apply integration both the function, we get integration cosecant square x dx plus integration secant square x dx. So integration cosecant square x formula minus cot x, integration secant square x formula tan x plus c. So this is the 14th one. Next 15th one, integration under root of 1 minus cos 2x into dx. So 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x. So apply both root 2 into root sin square x dx. Here square root get cancelled. Root 2 into integration sin x. Integration sin x equal to minus cos x. So minus root 2 cos x plus c. This is the 15th one. Next 16th one, integration root x minus 2 by 1 minus x square into dx. So apply integration both the functions, root x dx minus 2 integration 1 by 1 minus x square into dx. So root x, integration root x equal to 1 by 2 root x minus integration root x formula, not 1 by root x, integration root x, integration 1 by root x equal to 2 root x, integration root x formula 2 by 3 x root x minus 2 into 1 by 1 minus x square, it is tan h inverse x plus c. So this is the 16th one. Next 17th one, integration 5 power x dx. So it is in the form of integration a power x by log a base e plus c. So this is 17th one. Next, so before 18th question, so we need to learn about what is T substitution method. So next from 18th we are starting T substitution method. So T substitution method means this method we are using for only two functions. For example, integration f of x into g of x dx. We have two function in integration. Suppose f of x is a differentiation of g of x, then let us consider f of x equal to t. Or g of x is a differentiation of f of x, then consider g of x equal to t. Means suppose integration sin x into cos x dx. Sin x differentiation is cos x, but cos x differentiation is not a sin x. So that's why here consider sin x equal to t. Suppose tan x into secant square x into dx. We have two functions. Tan x differentiation is secant square x, but secant square x differentiation not a tan x. So that's why tan x equal to t. consider as tan x equal to t. So which one is a differentiation of the next function, we can consider that function as a t. So that is a t substitution method. So first one in t substitution method, first question 18th one, right. So integration 1 by 1 plus 2x plus 1 into dx. So here we have two functions, one is 1 and another one is 2x plus 1. So one differentiation is 0, 2x plus 1 we get one constant. So let us consider, let 2x plus 1 equal to t. So both sides differentiate with respect to x. Both sides differentiate with respect to x. We get 2x differentiation is 2 into 1 plus 1 differentiation 0, t with respect to x dt by dx. 2 into 1 2 equal to dt by dx. So we get dx 2 into dx equal to dt. So dx value is dt by 2. Right, substitute here. Integration 1 by 1 plus, in place of 2x plus 1 write t. Next in place of dx write dt by 2. So this is a function in x, this function in x, this function in t. So integration of a terms of x changes into integration terms of t. So 1 by t constant right outside, 1 by 1 plus t into dt. Integration 1 by x log mod x, log mod of 1 plus t plus c. So 1 by 2 into, in place of t again substitute that value, t value is 2x plus 1 plus c. So 1 by 2 into log 2x plus 2 plus c. So this is 18th one. Next 19th one, integration x power 5 by 1 plus x power 12 into dx. It's a very very important one, but it is very easy. Right. X power 5 differentiation 5x power 4. So if you differentiate x power 5, you will not get x power 12. X power 12 differentiation is 12x power 11. But we can raise x power 12. We can write x power 12 in the form of x power 6 whole square. X power 6 whole square. Now differentiate x power 6, we get x power 5. X power 6 differentiation is 6 into x power 5. So that's why let us consider x power 6 equal to t, both sides differentiate with respect to x. So we get 6x power 5 equal to dt by dx. So x power 5, 6 into x power 5 dx equal to dt. So x power 5 into dx equal to dt by 6. So we have to find x power 5 into dx value. So that's why 6 right in denominator. So x power 5 into dx become dt by 6. Now 1 by 1 plus, in place of x power 6 write t. So it become t square into dt by 6. So 1 by 6 right outside, 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. Integration 1 by 1 plus x square is tan square x. So 1 by 6 into tan square t plus c. So 1 by 6 into tan inverse, in place of t substitute the value x power 6 plus c. So this is 19th one. Right, next question number 20. Integration x power 8 by 1 plus x power 18 into dx. So x power 8 by 1 plus x power 18 we can write as x power 9 whole square into dx. So x power 9 differentiation is x power 8, 9 into x power 8. So let us consider x power 9 equal to t, both sides differentiate with respect to x. So 9x power 8 equal to dt by dx. X power 8 into dx equal to dt by 9. So in place of x power 8 into dx, write dt by 9. Next 1 by 1 plus x power 9 equal to t. So it is 1 plus t square into dt by 9. So 1 by 9 right outside, integration 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. So 1 by 1 plus t square equal to tan inverse t plus c. Right, in place of t substitute the value x power 9 plus c. Next 21, integration 2x cube by 1 plus x power 8 into dx. So 2 right outside, x cube by x power 8 we can write as x power 4 whole square into dx. So let us consider x power 4 equal to t. So both sides differentiate with respect to x. We get 4x cube equal to dt by dx. Now x cube into dx equal to dt by 4. Right, 2 into, in place of x cube, right, x cube into dx you can write dt by 4. So 1 by 1 plus x power 4 is t square into dt by 4. 4 right outside, 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. 2 2s are 4, 1 by 2 into tan inverse of t plus c. So 1 by 2 into tan inverse of, in place of t write x power 4 plus c. This is 21. Next, next 22, integration log x whole square by x into dx. So log x differentiation is 1 by x, but 1 by x differentiation not a log x. So let log x equal to t. Now differentiate, both sides differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by x, log x differentiation 1 by x equal to dt by dx. So 1 by x into dx equal to dt. 1 by x into dx, it become dt. So in place of log x write t square into dx by x. Dx by x become dt. So integration t square into dt means x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So t cube by 3 plus c. So in place of t substitute the value log x cube by 3 plus c. So this is 22. So today's session is completed. If you have any doubt, call my number. I will clarify your doubts. Take care. Bye bye.